Wow, look at that! The ants are already moving the soil. They are working together as a team. Good morning, little scientists! Moi! They. Now, class, let's begin our amazing ant team study. I have the perfect subjects right here on my lab table. Don't worry, everything is going to be just fine. Thumbs up! Hi there, this is my clinic, and I'm Dr. Coco. See, I even have my own stethoscope. Everything is going to be just fine.
Welcome to the clinic. I'm Dr. Coco, and we're going to have a great time learning about health today.
Hi, everyone. Welcome to my clinic. Are you ready to play doctor today? Hello, cow. Ho, well, bye. Tell. Come train. Hey, bug. Go, tick-toe, down, whoa, one messing, faster time. Lame, hee-ho. Hello, everyone. I'm Dr. Coco. Let's explore science together. Wow! Look at that! I found it! Wow! Look at that! The ants are already moving the soil. They are working together as a team. Whoa! Whoa! Why should we? Whoa! Why, sir? Whoa! Hi, everyone. Welcome to my clinic. Dr. Coco is here to help you feel better. Hello. Come on in, you can sit right here. Hi, kids. I'm Dr. Coco. Welcome to the doctor's office. Huh? Hi, everyone. Welcome to my office. I'm Dr. Coco, and I'm here to help you feel better. Hi, everyone. Welcome to the clinic. My name is Dr. Coco, and I'm here to help you feel all better. Hi there. Welcome to my office. I'm Dr. Coco, and I'm here to make you feel all better. Wheeze Mo, Type Yeah Mo. Let me tell. This amazing molecule is the building block of life. See how the atoms connect right here.
Hello, aspiring scientists! Today, we're looking at materials. See the difference between flexible silk and super strong steel.
There are two main things to remember about this theory. First, it has to be testable, and second, it must be repeatable. Did you know that insects like this mosquito look incredible under the microscope? Let me show you why science is so cool. Hi everyone! Welcome back to the lab. Today, we're going to explore something amazing. Hi everyone! I promise we're gonna have so much fun learning about science today. Yesterday. Hi everyone! I'm Dr. Coco. Come on in, let's play doctor and find out how amazing you are. Look at the busy bee. He's collecting nectar from the flower. Isn't that amazing? Hi, kids. Welcome to my clinic. Let's learn about staying healthy today. Hi, I'm Dr. Coco. Let's learn about the bee. Look at this beautiful sunflower. See how it sparkles when it grows big and strong. Welcome to our clinic. To be the best doctors we can be, we need to work together as a team, just like these busy bees. Bad cow! How bad cow? Bad, bad. What do they do? Crow. This special honey mixture is the perfect remedy to make you feel all better. Ba-ho, ba-ba.